Hi lovely person. Welcome back to my channel. Let's draw together. For today's video, I'll show you how to draw a cartoon by tracing and coloring a ready-made 3D model in Clip Studio Paint Pro. By the way, I use a vector layer for my tracing because vector lines are easier to edit. You can resize them without losing quality, and you can also adjust, erase, or move individual strokes cleanly. Once the model is set, lower its opacity to make it easier to trace. Then, create a new layer on top to start drawing. I usually lower the opacity to around 30%, but you can adjust it to what feels right for you. Now, let's start tracing the model. I'm going to use a simple brush to outline the main features. Here, using the G pen with no pen pressure to keep my line work consistent and smooth. Don't worry too much about being perfect, nobody's perfect. LOL. Just be yourself and enjoy drawing. As you saw, I started with simple lines to trace the overall shape, and then added more detailed features as I went. Next, I'm going to draw his hard hat, but I'd like to use a reference photo for accuracy. So, I imported a photo from Google and traced it to make sure the details are correct. I made sure the hard hat was sized appropriately for his head. He had a big head, you know? Now that we have our line art, let's start coloring. On a new layer under the line art, I'll apply flat base colors. The consistent lines from the G pen make it easy to fill in large areas cleanly. Once the base colors are in, I'm adding shading to give depth. I create a new layer for shadows. You can set it to multiply mode and use a soft brush. But I didn't. I used blur function instead. Ang hirap. So I created a new layer for the details, then combine it afterwards. Don't forget to add highlights. It makes a lot difference. And we're almost done. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching jazzarts.ph. Till next time.